Hey everybody, this is Mark with Flatwoods Bee Farm. In today's video we're going to install a queen right split into 10 frame hive body. The split we had to do yesterday in an out yard. Went to inspect the colonies and found a lot of swarm cells in one of my hives, and so usually when I do that, I just go ahead and pull the queen out, do an artificial swarm, and let the swarm cells emerge and let the bees figure it out. So that's what we did. We did an artificial swarm, brought her back here to the home yard, and so today we're going to move them over into a 10 frame hive body and see how it goes. All right, thanks. Okay, what we're going to do today is install a split I did yesterday into this 10 frame box. And to some of you it might look like this is a bait hive. Well, that's what it is. That's all I had to work with. I was in one of my out yards, so I didn't have a nuke with me. Bad beekeeping, right? So what we're going to do is install this queen right split into 10 frame equipment and see how it goes. So, give them just a little bit of smoke, not much. Let them calm down just a little bit. And what happened yesterday is I got to one of my out yards, found a colony with multiple swarm cells in it, even though they shouldn't have. But you know, bees do their own thing. And so what I did was did a queen right split. Took the queen and the frame she was on, 2 frames plus 2 frames of cap brood and 2 shakes of bees, and put it in this bait hive, basically using it as a nuke, and brought them home. And what will happen is the swarm cells in the colony there in the out yard will emerge and requeen that colony. So basically what I did is I controlled the swarm. I took the swarm with me in a box instead of having to try to get it out of a tree. So let's see what we can do here. Let's set this down right here, and open this box up. Of course, there's tons of ants for some reason. And I really don't worry about ants. You know, they start bothering the bees will take care of it. What I'm going to do is take all these frames that's in this box out, including the black widow spiders and all that stuff that's in here. And check the camera, make sure you can still see. Yep, you see good. All right, so let's see what we got here. As you can tell, when I do a split, I don't mess around. Thing's full of bees. So that's a good thing. All right, let me move the camera and we'll start moving them over into the big box. Okay, so I've opened it up and moved the camera so you can see a little better. I'm gonna give them a little bit more smoke. They're not gonna be happy. I just moved them yesterday, so they aren't gonna be happy. Even though we like our bees to be happy, happy, happy. let's see. Make sure I can see if I can see her. As you can see, when I do a split, I believe in doing a strong split. So just from looking real quick, I don't see her. So we're going to take this frame has a lot of capped brood on it. We're going to put it right in the middle, just like that. And what I always do is the side of the frame that was against the other frame, which is the dark side of the frame, is usually where I try to look for the queen first. She'll run to the side of the frame where it was dark first. So look on this side, see if I see her. Queen from last year, so she should be easy to see. Alright, I don't see her. So a lot of capped brood on this one. I'm gonna put it right beside the other one, and I try to be just as gentle as I can. And what I might do, since we've got some warm days coming, I'm gonna go ahead and stick a frame in here that is foundationless. Of course, my whole operation is foundationless, all natural comb. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it right in the middle. And what I'm gonna do is I try to write the year that I put the frame in the colony on the frame. It helps there it is. I had to find my Sharpie. Helps me writing the year, helps me rotate my cone out. I try to do at least 2 frames every year. That way in a 10 frame box you got a complete rotation every 5 years. So I'm going to put that right in the middle so they can go ahead and dive on that and start pulling that out. Ain't been stung by a bee yet, but an ant just got me. A little bit more smoke. They're trying to figure out what in the world is this bearded man doing to me today. So look at this one. I know she's in here because I verified it yesterday when I did the split, so I'm not going to look real hard. This is a full frame cap brood just like the other ones. I don't see her, so we'll put this one in there. This split will explode very quickly because of all the capped brood that I put in there. I'm going to go ahead and put another frame, empty frame, in between that one and write the year on there. Because they'll start pulling this quick. The key to foundationless frames, you can stick those things, the empty, if you can stick it in between frames of capped brood, the bees cannot stand that, and they'll start pulling it very quickly. Look at that, that's called festooning. That is a bee plumb bob. That's how they draw straight comb. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to stick this one right here beside that frame. Is that not amazing? That's how they pull a straight comb, by hanging straight down. They cling to each other in their bodies, just from the gravity. That's how they pull a straight frame of foundation. So, real easy. Don't want to smash any bees, especially don't want to smash the main bee. So, a little bit more smoke. I think this frame yesterday is actually the one she was on. So let's see what we got. What happened? I guess my phone, I shoot these videos on my phone. I guess it overheated and turned off. So you missed some of it. Let me just tell you what you missed. Basically, we moved the split into the 10 frame hive body. But all that you really missed was me filling the rest of the box up with foundationless frames. So you got the most of it. We never did really see the queen, but I know she's in there. So we're in good shape. So hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share the channel so we can spread the word about treatment-free beekeeping. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.